This is York 1. We're picking up one bandit, single group, one contact. Bullseye 010 at 6 miles tracked east. Bandit is switching courses to attack. Confirmation to... Radar site still silent. Scramble, get those birds in the sky ASAP.
What's happening?
Hostiles incoming. Don't know how many.
Stryker Squadron, head to runway. When airborne, link to Skylight. Stryker 1, lining up on runway. Hurry up, Stryker Squadron. Hostiles in the area.
Stryker 2, lining up on runway.
Verify. Stryker Squadron, this is Tower. You are cleared for takeoff.
Stryker Squadron, this is AWACS Skylight. How do you read?
AWACS Skylight, this is Stryker Squadron. Loud and clear.
Stryker Squadron, check in.
Stryker 1 on standby.
Stryker 2 on standby.
Roger, Stryker Squadron. We're picking up 2 bandits, single group, 2 contacts. They're Twexian MLK-21s.
Twexian? What the hell are they doing here?
Command Chief, what's their heading?
Bullseye 190 at 12 miles tracked west. They're escaping. Destroy those bandits.
Roger. Stryker 2, follow my lead.
On you, Stryker 1. Those Twexians certainly did some damage. But why the hell are they targeting this place?
That shouldn't be our concern. They are hostiles. Bandits in sight.
Stryker 1, you are clear to engage.
Roger. Fox 3. Splash 1.
Fox 3! Hell yeah! Splash 2!
Good job, Stryker Squadron. Stay in air patrol. More bandits might show up.
Why the hell was the Twexians attacking in the first place? And why in so few numbers?
We will need to wait for Fronanian intelligence to get that information.